Hi everyone, here I have the Mid-Length Wera Screwdriver. I'm going to show you the screws that it loosens. We'll start here on this end of the machine. It loosens the tension unit stud screw here, the screw that holds on the take-up spring stop bracket, and then this screw here that holds on the needle bar bushing. So here on the needle plate, we've got these two screws. Loosens those ones. These ones hold on the positioning plate bracket. And then also the two screws that hold on the positioning plate bracket springs. Here on the hook assembly, it loosens the loop guard screw. Also, this screw here behind the light housing, that screw holds the light socket into the light housing. And finally, we have the bakelite plug screws. Works great for these as well.